Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra for Boost Mobile. So the Galaxy S24 Ultra is there. Boost Mobile got released back in February. So the Galaxy S24 Ultra is here. It's available in two colors: titanium violet and titanium black color options there. If you guys like the Galaxy Note features and whatnot, the S Pen and stuff like that, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the phone for you. So anyways, the 256GB Galaxy S24 Ultra is $1299.99 for retail price of $999.99 currently on sale as I'm recording this video here. The 512GB version is $1419.99 for retail price or $1119.99 on sale. So pretty cool. So that is front and back of the phone. I do like the design of the phone a lot. This is my favorite Samsung phone. I've done like design and features and whatnot, but that's just my personal opinion. So anyways, you guys got your quad camera set up down the back, camera flash, and Samsung logo. Your S Pen obviously. Front will have your hole punch front facing camera. Power and van keys on the right side of the phone. That's the front, like I said, hole punch front facing camera, earpiece above that. Power and van keys on the right side of the phone. The right side, power button, van keys. There's the back of the phone, quad camera setup, camera flash, Samsung logo, your S Pen and whatnot. There's the back of it again. Back. Right side, power button, van keys. And then it's front and back once again. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 6.8-inch display, 200-megapixel main camera, 45 hours of talk time, Android 14, One UI 6.1. It says do more with the most epic Galaxy yet, from satisfying your curiosity on the spot with Circle to search with Google, to zooming in to capture stunning low-light photos. Unleash new ways to create, connect, and more with Galaxy S24 Ultra. Epic, just like that. Features: Galaxy AI. This is a new thing for the Galaxy S24 lineup, Galaxy AI. So if you guys are interested in AI, Galaxy AI is worth checking out. Circle to search. Circle it, find it. Search any image, video, or text on your screen. Circle, highlight, scribble, or tap to pinpoint what you're curious about. No screenshots necessary. And with the S Pen, you can get pinpoint precision on what you want to circle and search and whatnot. So the S Pen is a great feature for this. So there's one use for it as well. So yeah, very cool feature. Live translate, never be lost in translation again. Speak foreign languages on the spot, right from inside the Samsung phone app with live translation. There it is, Samsung phone app, and there's a live translation there, so that's pretty cool. Night photography zoom, bring details out of the darkness, brighten up your night with night photography on Galaxy S24 Ultra. Want a closer look and zoom in from a distance, even in low light. So pretty cool. 200-megapixel high-res photos, 8K video, 100x space zoom, high-resolution camera, capture, share, and press. Create crystal clear content worth sharing with Galaxy S24 Ultra. From bustling cityscapes to scenery landscapes, capture a masterpiece of detail with the 200 megapixel camera and let Galaxy S24 Ultra adjust E2 and shade to reflect the world as you see it. Screen display watch anything and any light with 2600 nits of brightness. Take your streaming to the edge with Galaxy S24 Ultra. The brighter, faster screen gives you more room to see what you love. Note Assist. Note smarter, not harder. Capture the details in your notes and let Note Assist do the hard work of summarizing, formatting, and even translating it for you. From information overload to epic summary, just like that. Y'all guys can compare the, this is the Galaxy AI here. This is for the Galaxy S24 series, so that's pretty cool. So if you guys are interested in trying out AI, Samsung has different for you guys to check out. You guys can compare different Galaxy S24 devices to see which one's right for you. We're looking at the Galaxy S24 Ultra, so very nice looking phone, specs and whatnot. 200 megapixel main camera, titanium, S Pen obviously. Your Galaxy, your way. Galaxy devices give you more ways to connect and the freedom to make your experience exactly how you want it. Switching is quick and easy. With Smart Switch, you can move your pics, videos, music, apps, contacts, and converse to the app safely and securely in just a few simple steps, right? So definitely worth checking out the Smart Switch app and transferring your stuff over to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So definitely worth checking that out. Video chat from where you are at. Easily share your life's moments live with friends and family on Google Meet, whether at home or on the go. It's easy to connect face to face. Specs: the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x Quad HD plus display, 120Hz refresh rate, 5,000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy octa-core chipset, Android 14, One UI 6.1. The Galaxy S24 Ultra weighs 8.2 ounces, 200 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto, 50 megapixel macro, and a 12 megapixel selfie camera. 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256, or 5 gigabytes of storage, 5G obviously, 4G USB 3.2, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra wideband, alright? The dimensions on the Galaxy S24 Ultra is 6.4 inches height, 3.1 inches with 10.3 inches depth. Other features include the Galaxy AI, that's new to the Galaxy S24 series, and Samsung Wallet. What's included with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, your S Pen obviously, your Type-C to Type-C charging cable, quick start guide, terms and conditions, and your SIM ejection pin. You will need a Type-C charging brick, so yeah. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is here at Boost Mobile. It's available now. So if you guys like the Galaxy Note features and whatnot, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the phone for you, so it's definitely worth checking out. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will get to you guys in the next one. Peace out.